All right, Chapter 9. Learning how to write code, the review section, 9.6, writing code. Going to go through all these problems fairly quick. Problem number 1. Write a function that prints out hello world. Easy. Def hello world. That's going to be my function name. Doesn't need to take in any parameters. Print hello world. Number 1 done. Write code that will call the function in problem 1. Number 2. Hello world. Open close parentheses. There you go. Number 3. Write a function that prints out hello Bob and will take in a parameter to let the caller specify the name. Do not put an input statement inside the function. Use a parameter. Def hello person, I'm going to call it, takes in a parameter. Name. Print hello name. There you go. Now whatever I pass in, it'll use that name. Number 4. Write code that'll call the function in problem number 3. Hello person Bob. Now when I run this, prints out hello world, hello Bob. Looks like I'm doing fine so far. Number 5. Write a function that will take two numbers as parameters, not as input from the user, and print out their product. That is, multiply them. Okay, I'm going to call it def mult, short for multiply, a comma b. And I'm supposed to take in a and b as parameters and print their product. Print a times b. Whoops, a. That was all I needed for number 5. Number 6, write code that'll call the prior function. There we go. Call mult and it'll multiply 23 and 26. Number 7, write a function that takes in two parameters. First parameter will be a string named phrase. Second parameter will be a number named count. Print phrase to the screen count times. Like take in hello and a 5 and print out hello to the screen 5 times. Pretty easy. Number 7, easier to write it than it is to explain it. Def print things. I'm going to call it. This is going to be my phrase. This is going to be my count. For I in range count, I'm going to repeat count times, and I'm going to print the phrase. That's all there is to number 7. Number 8, write code to call the previous function. Print things hello 5 times. Run it, make sure everything's going well so far. Yep, seems to happen. Got hello 5 times, and that multiplication problem happened as well. Number 9. Write code for a function that takes in a number and returns the square of that number. Not square root, but square. Note, this function should return the answer, not print it out. Def square number. Going to take in a number, and call it x. And it returns that number squared, which is basically just x times x, right? Okay, that was dead simple. Number 10. Write code to call the function up above. Okay, result equal square number. I think I'm going to square 12. And I'm going to print the result. Might as well run this. And it prints out 144. Excellent. Write a function that will take in 3 numbers as parameters and returns a centrifugal, whatever that word is, force. The formula for that force is, okay, great, let's do it. Number 11, def centrifugal, it's late, I don't want to pronounce it, centrifugal force. 3 numbers, I need to take in the mass, the radius, and this angular velocity, which I'm going to call W. I don't need to take in the force. That's what I'm calculating. I need to return mass times radius times the angular velocity squared. That's it. Write code to call the function up above. So the force is equal to the centrifugal force, and I don't know, I'll just make up some numbers, throw it in there, print F, run it, woohoo! That was number 12. Last one. Write a function that takes in a list of numbers as a parameter and prints out each number individually using a for loop. Def print numbers. Take in a list. In that in a colon. Great, now all I need is for item in list print item. You could also do for I in range, parentheses, len for length of list, and then print list bracket I bracket. That would also work. This is a little bit simpler way of doing a print of all the items in the for loop. That's it.